Hey guys. I'm Wisdom. Welcome to my channel, where I do book reviews that spark your wisdom. In this video, I would be reviewing the book Attitude is Everything, by Jeff Keller. First things first, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to subscribe now, and if you liked my video, please do like and share it. So, let me jump straight to the topic now. A positive attitude is a person's passport to a better tomorrow. So this book can help you, no matter how positive or negative you are, right now. Think, act, and talk with enthusiasm, and you will attract positive results. Remember, success begins in the mind. You must first clearly see anything in your mind, before you can do it. Visualization is more powerful than knowledge. It's important to visualize your goals to successful completion. We are a human magnet. We become what we think about. So, whatever you repeat often, in self-talk or with others, will start becoming your belief. You need to watch your words. Jeff says, choose those words that point you to the direction of success and your goals. The key is commitment. Mary Crowley said, one person with a commitment is worth more than 100 people who have only an interest. Associate with positive people. And most importantly, you need to take action. Jeff himself in his early days had burned out, had no goals, no dreams, and no energy. Then he made a discovery of the power of positive attitude. Once he changed his attitude, a whole new world opened up for him. The secret of happiness lies in counting your blessings, while others are adding up their troubles. And the only way to escape from the prison of fear is by taking action. Elbert Hubbard said, the greatest mistake that a person can make is to be afraid of making one. Going further, Jeff says, there comes a point where life starts throwing some dirt at our windows, and our windows get smudged and clouded. So all we need to do is clean our windows by changing our attitude. Right then, now is the time to take control of your attitude and to start creating miracles. Miracles where? Miracles in your own life. So, please go ahead and read this book. Check out the description of this video to find links for grabbing this book online. See you soon with my next video of another book review. Until then, goodbye.